I spoke to a lot of fans at the track today, and the first question I asked is what time they arrived. And every one of them told me before 10 a.m. I mean, think about that passion for racing. It was 86 degrees, and many people were there for like 10 hours. Corey Miller and photojournalist Jimmy Hummel had the sights and sounds of a St. Louis race day in tonight's Spotlight.
Chase Briscoe, Harrison Burton, Noah Gregson, Austin Cindric, Brett Keselowski.
It was on our bucket list and took me 68 years to get here, but I finally got here. Oh, I've been watching since back when the days when all you got to see was on Worldwide Sports every once in a while.
These are my people. You know, this is my country, and I just feel like at home here in Missouri and Illinois, this bi-state area, they embrace the Cardinals so well, and they've always made me feel so loved.
Drivers, start your engine!
I don't know how to explain it, but my favorite thing is when anytime they start or restart. I want to say you can feel the sound, but that makes no sense.
I know what you mean.
But that's what it is.
We know that this racetrack is one of the best in the country, and it was demonstrated once again. It was strategy, it was talent, it was guts, and that last lap pass will go down in history at this racetrack.